case, it's already on 1, so we get what? We'll select the 2. What? So, two different combinations work. So, the way I'm able to tell which doors are open is a pin in red. So, red is danger, those doors are open. So I just look down and count. 3 and 4 are open. It's numbers 1 through 14 with each 14 celebrations. So it takes a little bit of, there's a lot of practice. But then once you kind of have the hang of it, it's very easy.